Thank you for that melodious performance. We are immensely blessed to have pillars of strength guiding our institution. So now I request our chief guest, Reverend Father Thomas Matthew, to come up on stage and bless our student council with inspiring words.
गुड मॉर्निंग। सुबह नाश्ता नहीं किया क्या? गुड मॉर्निंग। दैट्स respected sister Celine, respected principal sister Tessin, reverend sisters, respected teachers, respected and loving, appointed head boy, head girl, and all the house captains, all the class leaders, and my dear students. कैसे लग रहे? कैसे लग रहे? अच्छा लग रहे? क्यों? ये अच्छा प्रोग्राम के बीच में एक बंदा आकर डिस्टर्ब किया ना? नहीं किया? स्टोरी सुनना अच्छा लगता है क्या? तो मैं एक छोटा सा कहानी बताऊंगा। कहानी नहीं, रियलिटी है। अब नन्हे चिड़ियों का घोंसला देखा है क्या? उसमें चिड़िया बहुत सारे चीज लाते हैं, यानी कभी पंख लाते हैं, कभी अपना जो पौधाएं हैं उसकी डालियां लाते हैं। ऐसा डालकर बहुत सारे कुछ लाकर घोंसला बनाते हैं। घोंसला बनाने के बाद चिड़िया अंडा देते हैं और उसमें अपनी आगे वाले पीढ़ी के लिए, यानी छोटा नन्हा बच्चा लाने के लिए उसके अंडे के ऊपर बैठकर उसी को लाते हैं। जब अंडा खुल जाते हैं तो छोटा सा चिड़िया आ जाते हैं, तो उसको कुछ करने के लिए आते हैं क्या? कुछ भी नहीं आते, अपना पंख भी नहीं है। जो देखना कहीं भी जाकर एक घोंसले में देखना, एक जब छोटा सा चिड़िया जब आते हैं तब बिल्कुल पंख तक नहीं है। धीरे धीरे उनका पंख बनकर समय लेते वो बढ़ जाते हैं और अपनी माँ बाप के सहारे वो खाना शुरू करते हैं। उसके बाद वो उस घोंसले से उड़कर जाते हैं। हमारा भी ऐसा है जिंदगी। We are also same in condition, because when we were so small, we were depending on parents for everything, even for our daily need we were depending. But as we grow, sometimes we forget parents. Sometimes we irritate them and we ask them, what did you do to me? As we have the head boy, head girl, and all the captains and all the class leaders are being appointed amidst us. They are there as leaders. What is their responsibility? Their responsibility is to lead, to guide, to be a role model. These three things: to lead, to guide, and be a role model. This is very difficult. Nowadays, we are lacking these abilities in our life. As we saw in the short program, short skit, what was it about? किसके बारे में बोल रहे थे इस स्किट में? हैं? सक्सेस के बारे में बोल रहे थे. तो सक्सेस होना है तो क्या चाहिए सबसे पहले? Yeah, we should have a clear ambition. In between, there are so many characters came in our life. Hard work, failure, good abilities, perseverance. These are the supporting characters we get in our life. But we have to have success. We should have an ambition. Are you ready to have an ambition in your life? Then only the leaders be true leaders. So, I wish all the office bearers, head boy, head girl, all the captains and vice captains and the class teachers, all the best wishes to be a true leader, to be a role model to others. Lead with compassion and care. So I wish all the best wishes for you, and to my dear students, this is a challenge for us because only very few of you are come here. Very few. One head boy, head girl, then 4 groups, captain and vice captain. We have the ability to come over, but we should have an ambition to come over to the stage. Next year I will be among them, and I will obey all the rules and regulations of the school. Then only I will be, and I will be a good student, keeping my studies and giving priority to others. Then only I will be here. So, be a good child and have a good ambition in your life and good success. Okay, thank you very much. I take this opportunity to thank very especially Sister Selina and Sister Tessie for inviting me and giving this opportunity to me to be with you, and